4. Multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 16. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Number of groups, number in each group, number in all. 4 groups of 4 is 16. We can see above that each group has the same number. Multiplication is the short way to show repeated addition. When a number is multiplied by 1, then the answer is that number itself. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. When a number is multiplied by 0, then the answer is 0. Two numbers can be multiplied in either order, but the answer remains the same. 4 into 2 is equal to 2 into 4 is equal to 8. The answer is called the product. Multiplying by 7, 8 and 9. Multiplying by 7. When we learn the table of 7, we learn only 3 new multiplication facts. 7 groups of 7 are 49. 7 into 7 is 49. 8 groups of 7 are 56. 8 into 7 is equal to 56. 9 groups of 7 are 63. 9 into 7 is equal to 63. Multiplying by 7. Read the table of 7. 1 sevens are 7. 2 sevens are 14. 3 sevens are 21. 4 sevens are 28. 5 sevens are 35. 6 sevens are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 8 sevens are 56. 9 sevens are 63. 10 sevens are 70. Read the table of Trixie. Observe the pattern of numbers in this table of 7. Multiplying by 8. We learn only 2 new multiplication facts when we learn table of 8. 8 groups of 8 are 64. 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 9 groups of 8 are 72. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. Read the table of 8. 1 8s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 9 8s are 72. 10 8s are 80. Trixie. Observe the pattern in the 8 times table and complete. Fill in. Multiplying by 9. We learn only one new fact when we learn 9 times table. 9 groups of 9 are 81. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Read the 9 times table. 1 9s are 9. 2 9s are 18. 3 9s are 27. 4 9s are 36. 5 nines are 45. 6 nines are 54. 7 nines are 63. 8 nines are 72. 9 nines are 81. 10 nines are 90. Trick C. Observe the pattern in 9 times table and complete it. Using the right terms, 4 into 9 is equal to 36. The numbers that are multiplied are called factors. The numbers that comes after multiplication is called the product. Exercise. Multiplication by 10 and 100. Multiplication by 10. When a number is multiplied by 10, then multiply the number by 1 and write 0 at the ones place. Multiply numbers 3, 30, 300 by 10. 1, 10, 100, 1000. 3 into 10 is equal to 30. 30 into 10 is equal to 300. 300 into 10 is equal to 3000. Multiply 3, 30 and 300 by 1, then we get 3, 30, 300. Now write 10 to the right place of each multiplication by 10. Multiplication by 10. To multiply a number by 10, write 0 at ones place and then multiply the remaining numbers. Multiply number 8 by 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. 1, 10, 100. 8 into 20 is equal to 160. 8 into 30 is equal to 240. 8 into 40 is equal to 320. Multiplying 8 by 2, 3, 4, we get 60, 24, 32. Now write 10 to the right place of each multiplication. We get 160, 240, 320. We can multiply big numbers also in the same way. Multiply 17 by 40. 17 into 40 is equal to 680. Multiply 17 by 4, we get 68. Multiplication by 100. When a number is multiplied by 100, write 2 zeros at the ones and tens place and multiply the number by 1. Multiply numbers 7, 18 and 36 by 100. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 7 into 100 is equal to 700. 18 into 100 is equal to 1800. 36 into 100 is equal to 3600. Write 2 zeros at the right place. Multiply 7, 18 and 36 by 1. Then we get 700, 1800, 3600. Multiplication by hundreds. To multiply a number by hundreds, write 2 zeros at the ones and tens place. Then multiply the remaining numbers. Multiplying numbers 6 by hundreds, 200, 500, 700. 1, tens, hundreds, thousands. 6 into 200 is equal to 1200. 6 into 500 is equal to 3000. 6 into 700 is equal to 4200. Multiply 6 by 2, 5, 7. Then we get 12, 30, 42. Now write 2 zeros at right place of each multiplication. We get 1200, 3000, 4200. Exercise. Multiplication of 3-digit numbers. Multiplication without regrouping. Here we will learn multiplication of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Multiply number 124 by 2. Step 1. Multiply by ones. 2 into 4 is equal to 8 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds. 1 into 2 is equal to 2 hundreds. Answer. Product of 124 and 2 is 248. Example. A packet of chocolates contains 202 toffees. How many toffees will 3 such packets contain? 202 into 3 is equal to how much? Step 1. Multiply the ones. 3 into 2 is equal to 6 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens. 3 into 0 is equal to 0 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds. 2 into 3 is equal to 600. Answer. 606 chocolates will be there in 3 packets. Multiplication with regrouping. Here we will learn multiplication of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Multiply 246 by 2. 246 into 2 is equal to how much? Step 1. Multiply the ones and regroup. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. 12 ones is equal to 110 plus 2 ones. Step 2. Multiply the tens and regroup. 2 into 4 is equal to 8 tens. 8 tens plus 110 is equal to 9 tens. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 hundreds. Answer. The product of 246 and 2 is 492. Multiplication where the product is more than a 3-digit number. Sometimes we may get a 4-digit answer when we multiply a 3-digit number with a 1-digit number. Multiply 943 by 8. Answer. The product of 943 and 8 is 7544. Example. A flower has 5 petals. How many petals will 394 such flowers have? 394 into 5 is equal to how much? Answer. 394 flowers will have 1970 petals. Example. A flower. Exercise. Trixie. Form the greatest and the smallest number by using the given digits. Multiplication of 2-digit numbers. Multiplication without regrouping. Here we will learn about multiplication of two-digit numbers without regrouping. It means we multiply a two-digit number by a two-digit number. Multiply 42 by 12. Step 1. Multiply by the ones. 2 into 42 is equal to 84. Step 2. Multiply by the tens and add both the products. 1 into 42 is equal to 42. Answer: the product of 42 and 12 is 504. Multiplication with regrouping. Regrouping ones. Here we will learn about multiplication of two-digit numbers with regrouping. Multiply 19 by 35. 19 into 35 is equal to how much? Step 1. Multiply by the ones. 19 into 5 is equal to 95. Step 2. Multiply by the tens and add both the products. 19 into 3 tenths is equal to 570. Answer: the product of 19 and 35 is 665. Regrouping tens. Let us multiply 22 by 58. 22 into 58 is equal to how much? Step 1. Multiply by the ones. 22 into 8 ones is equal to 176. Step 2. Multiply by the tens and add. 22 into 5 tenths is equal to 110. Therefore, the product of 22 and 58 is 1276. Example: there are 92 mangoes in each basket. How many mangoes will there be in 64 baskets? 92 into 64 is equal to how much? Step 1. Multiply by the ones. 92 into 4 ones is equal to 368. Step 2. Multiply by the tens and add both the products. 92 into 6 tenths is equal to 552. Therefore, there will be 5,888 mangoes in 6 baskets. Exercise. Find the product of the following numbers. Use a shortcut to multiply any number by 11. Multiply 53 by 11. 53 into 11. 3 from 53 in the ones place. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 in the tens place. 5 from 53 in the hundreds place. 53 into 11 is equal to 583. Use a shortcut. Example: there are 76 marbles in a bowl. How many marbles will be there in 11 such the bowls? 76 into 11 is equal to how much? By using the shortcut 76 into 11. 6 from 76 in the ones place. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 3 in the tens place. 7 from 76 in hundreds place. But 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 76 into 11 is equal to 836. Answer: there will be 836 marbles in 11 bowls. Exercise: box multiplication. Box multiplication is used to multiply two-digit numbers. Multiply 34 by 2. 34 into 2 is equal to how much? First, we break up 34 into 30 and 4. Then, place the factor in the boxes as shown. Step 1. Multiply the tens. Step 2. Multiply the ones. Add the products. 60 plus 8 is equal to 68. Answer: the product of 34 and 2 is 68. Example: a school bus carries 42 students. How many students went to school in 23 such buses? 42 into 23 is equal to how much? First, break up both the numbers. 42 into 23. Now place the factors in the boxes. 800 plus 40 plus 120 plus 6, 966. Answer: 42 into 23 is equal to 966. Trixie. Lattice method of multiplication. Here we will learn about multiplication of two-digit numbers by the lattice method. Multiply 34 by 23. Step 1. Write 34 on the top of the lattice and 23 on the left. Step 2. Multiply 3 by 2. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Write the product in the first square. Step 3. Multiply 4 by 2. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Write the product in the second square. Step 4. Multiply 3 by 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Write the product in the third square. Step 5. Multiply 4 by 3. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Write the product as shown below. Step 6. Add along the diagonals if the sum is in two digits. Carry the tens digit to the next place. Answer: 34 into 23 is equal to 782. Exercise: estimation of products. Multiply 23 by 5. 23 into 5. Round 23 down to 20. 20 into 5 is equal to 100. Round 23 up to 30. 30 into 5 is equal to 150. So, the answer should be between 100 and 150. Answer: 23 into 5 is equal to 115. Estimate. Example: there are 48 balls in a bag. How many balls are there in 12 such bags? 48 into 12 is equal to how much? Round 48 up to 50. Round 12 down to 10. 50 into 10 is equal to 500. The answer should be around 500. 48 into 12 is equal to 576. Answer: there are 576 balls in 12 bags. Example: there are 48